Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best precision scales on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Nicewell Food Scale. The first thing that we would say about this product is that it has a great design. Not only does it look good, but it also offers a range of functionality. The scale is made out of tempered glass and provides a sturdy bearing. Then you also have the stainless steel platform that ensures that there are no fingerprint marks. Moreover, when it comes to storage, this item creates no trouble. There is a hook that is attached to it, which you can use for hanging it anywhere in your kitchen. Not to forget, it comes with an easy-to-use tare button that makes it possible to calculate the weight precisely and display accurate readings. This kitchen scale can take the measurements after subtracting the weights of the plates and other containers. Meaning, you won't have to worry about getting precise measurements. Pros: lasts for a long time. Comes with tare function. Provides accurate readings. Maximum weight limits are high. Cons: packaging requires improvement. Number 2. Our second best pick is Etekcity Food Scale. What makes this precision scale stand out among its competitors is the fact that it measures both solid and liquid items. The measuring bowl that you get in the package is sufficient to measure a range of objects, but keep in mind that the maximum capacity should be 11 pounds. Additionally, maintaining this item is super easy because it is made of food-grade stainless steel, so there is no way that the materials would get stuck on the bowl. You can give it a rub with a soft cloth, and it will be clean within minutes. Understandably, with little maintenance, this high-precision scale will last for years. And thanks to the backlit LCD display, you can view all the readings with much ease. The LCD screen makes it easy for you to take the readings correctly and make sure that the measurements are always right. Pros: excellent weight capacity. Requires less maintenance. Easy to read backlit LCD display. Provides accurate reading. Cons: alarm is very loud. Number 3. Our third best pick is OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Food Scale. The first thing that we noticed about this item is its design. The body is entirely made of stainless steel, and therefore, you do not have to face the problem of fingerprint marks. Other than that, because of its sturdy construction, it is likely to last for years, so make sure that you maintain it a bit. What makes this product stand out is its unique pull-out display, as it is hidden when not in use, and thus it hardly takes up any space in your kitchen. You have to pull out the display when you are measuring something, and this makes storage pretty convenient. Moreover, charging this item is super simple because there is no added cord, as it does not run on electricity. You will just need 4 AAA batteries to operate this device, and there is no requirement for extensions or power sources, meaning it can be used anywhere. Pros: lasts for a long time. Brilliant design. Easy to charge. Comes with simple instructions. Cons: customer service requires improvement. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Geekclick Digital Food Kitchen Scale. The design is pretty slim, and it can easily fit in all cabinets. You can even hang the scale stow and use it as a decorative piece. This is the only scale that can help with the precise measurement, as it comes with a single press tare function. Additionally, it is super easy to store this device. You do not need to keep a space reserved in your cabinets for storing this item. It comes with a small hook and can be easily hung on any of your kitchen walls. That way, it will be easily accessible, and you can use it whenever needed. Moreover, when using this item, you do not have to worry at all about saving power. It has a built-in auto turn-off feature and will get switched off automatically if you do not use it for more than 2 minutes. Pros: durable item. Easy to operate. Storing is convenient. Helps save battery power. Cons: fonts are not in high contrast. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Greater Goods Kitchen Tabletop Scale. This product has managed to win the hearts of many with its simple and stylish design. When you put it in your kitchen, rest assured that it will amp up the decor. The design is pretty modern and minimalist, thereby hardly taking up much space on the kitchen countertop. It is available in 2 colors and will surely breathe life into your kitchen decor. Other than that, it provides you with a range of functions that would make your cooking work super simple. It can take readings down to the gram and offers you a measuring range with a maximum limit of 11 pounds. Even the LCD display is in high contrast, which makes viewing the readings quite convenient. And what makes this product stand out is the fact that it provides the users with exact precise readings. So, you can even use this for the purpose of taking the weight of packages and parcels before shipping them. Pros: lasts for a long time. Excellent looks. Easy to read screen. Shows precise results. Cons: packaging needs to be better. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.